Here is Zora and her mother out in our giant snow. Snow. Woo! What do you think about this, little baby? Oh, don't try to come out into it. It's a little steep for you. Woo! Look how steep it is. Look at the pile that we have in front of our driveways and cars. That's crazy, isn't it? You can see how high it is on the side, the path that Mom's making for Zizi. Woo! Yeah, whoa! Did Mommy knock you down in that snow? Mommy! You gonna play in it? Yeah. Mommy's gonna pick you up in that shovel. What do you think? Is that fun? Is that fun stuff? What do you think, Zora? Say ha ha ha. Fun snow. Can you get up? Oh, you got a snowy butt. Snowy butt. Do you know where your butt is? You know where your head is? Show us where your head is. There's the path that your mama cleared.
Mama.
There's your mama.
Mom.
Mama's making a good path. We're coming past Mama. Whoops.
Mama.
Here are the huge piles beside the mailboxes. Here's our car. This is the fresh snow that we just got. We got about, I guess, looks like 9 inches or so now. Here's the pile from when the snow plows. Whoops, careful, Zizi. Piled up twice. We've had last weekend and this weekend. And it's as high as the top of our mailbox. Right there beside it. And the pretty house. Trying to do all this while holding Zizi in one hand. We had some big snow in Blacksburg this year. For Zizi's second winter. First one she's actually aware of. We want to make sure she has a good record of it. Look at that. You can see that one pile there goes as high as Mommy's head. You see how that one pile goes as high as Mama's head? That's amazing, huh? Can you believe that?